Littlest Pet Shops, go to the store. Okay, Littlest Pet Shop meeting. What, Mom? Okay. We need to get more stuff in our house. Why do we need to do that? I think it looks perfect. Well, Mom does have a point. You know, we need to go somewhere. All right, come on, kitties. Walk up the stairs, walk up the stairs. Not everybody. Those look like some nice trees. They are $199. Oh my beep. That's way too much. Mom, she does have a point. Those things are nice. Do you have one that's a lower price? We have this one. How much is that? $10.99. Holy crap. I'll buy it. Okay, thank you. Be careful for the cockroaches over there. Oh my beep. Look at what we got. Seriously, Mom? Seriously. I think we need more housewarmings. Oh my, damn it. Okay. This is beef. No, stop. I'm doing this. Everybody, go to your stations.
Stations? Yeah, stations.
Okay. Next morning later. Okay, everybody, wake up. Okay. I'm going to go to the school store because I just got paid $2,000. This is going to be the money. That's $1,000. Take my freaking money. There you go. There you go. Thank you, Pony. Oh, do you mind? Oh.
What the heck?
Look it. What the heck? I got more housewarming.
Oh, the stairs fell!
Wait. I'm going to sing a little song. It's called Cody Martin. This young girl, she's such a killer.
It's Cardi Simpson.
Okay, wait, let me, whatever. This young girl, she's such a killer. 6 hours later, our house is so nice. But look, we'll just stay in our house. So, let's just, are we perfect?
No, you're not.
Okay, so,
Not so bootylicious.
Call 1-800. Get your trees right now.
Trees at the Albertson store.
And see you next time on Littlest Pet Shops, go to the store. Buy trees.